Good afternoon and welcome to Phoenix Express. Welcome to Cooking with Celin. So here we are today at Phoenix Express. Look how beautiful the farm is in the background, and we welcome you on this peaceful day. We are going to have a delicious and very simple recipe. It is something that you are super familiar with, but perhaps have not ventured to make at home. It is simple, just with 5-6 ingredients. And you're going to have an amazing Italian dressing. We're going to convert it into two dressings. We're going to divide it into the vinaigrette, the basic vinaigrette, and we're just going to add a few other ingredients to convert it into a creamy Italian recipe that it has no sugar, it has no saturated fat, and it's going to be delicious. The first basic Italian dressing, you can utilize it for your salads, you can utilize it for your grilled vegetables, and you can also use it to marinate fish, to grill fish, to grill your chickens and your turkeys, and it will just give you amazing and fabulous results. Here we have the ingredients for the Italian dressing. Super easy, and we are going to make this in a jar. We have the half a teaspoon of salt and pepper here. We have about a quarter teaspoon of lemon zest. We have oregano, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of chopped garlic fresh. If you don't have fresh at home and just have the powder, that's absolutely fine. Or if you don't like garlic, you can omit it altogether. It's up to your taste. And last but not least, for the dry ingredients, we have a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese. To these basic ingredients, we are going to add half a lemon juice. We're going to add a cup of oil. Because we're splitting this recipe in two, we're going to make a creamy recipe with half of this base. Now we have a simple but delicious Italian dressing here without sugar, which you would get commercially if you went to purchase this from the supermarket. It would have sugar added and artificial flavor. And here you have a super great vinaigrette that you can put together in a couple of minutes with the ingredients that you have at home, and you know exactly the ingredients that went in here. And again, you can utilize this recipe for your grilled vegetables, for your salads. You can marinate a fish, chicken, or turkey also, and this will last you in your refrigerator for a good week. We are proceeding to the second half of this recipe. We have half of the vinaigrette that we made earlier today, and now we're going to convert this into a creamy Italian dressing just by adding 3 additional ingredients. So we have a teaspoon of Parmesan cheese. We have a quarter cup of plain non-fat yogurt. And last, we're going to add about a teaspoon of honey. We're going to take these ingredients and we're going to whisk for a minute or so. And this converts into a beautiful creamy Italian vinaigrette. Here you have it. And this will last about 5 days. The original vinaigrette will be more citrusy, so it will last 7 days. But because we added the dairy component, it will last 4 or 5 days max. Here it is.